Dear friends, we all are using Google accounts for storing our emails, files and other things on cloud because it is easy to access the things that are stored on the cloud storage. But 15 GB of the space that is provided by Google, we are sometimes feeling that this is also not according to the requirements or it is insufficient for us. For freeing up the space at one go, what you need is a very small trick. For example, I want to delete all the emails which are coming from this sender, Senta. I can right click on this email and select find emails from the center, that is Senta. Here you can see it is displaying me all the emails that are coming from the sender, Senta. I can click on this to select the mails and there are two options. All 50 conversations on the page are selected, or you can select all conversations that match this search. I am clicking on this. So all the mails that are coming from the sender, Senta, are selected. Then I can choose the option delete. Okay. So here some of the mails are left because intentionally I deselected some of the mails. Now you can check whether your mails are deleted. You can go to trash. Trash is a kind of recycle bin and you can here see the list of all the mails that I have recently deleted, and I can empty this trash. I can empty this trash to free up the space. And in this manner, empty trash now. You will be able to remove the files from trash, and here you can see the total amount of space that is left and the total amount of space that is being used. So this is a very small trick by which you can remove the mails from the senders which you do not require. Thank you so much.